junkies, it's Rowi here. I'm on set with Mecca Maxima for their holiday campaign and yeah, having the best time, looking glam, looking chic. Can we just talk about this packaging? It's inspiring me to do like a makeup eye look.
Hey beauty junkies, it's Erin here on set for the Mecca holiday campaign. So we've gone for a pink look today, which is totally not what I would usually do, but I'm digging it. I think it really brings out the color in my eyes, and I think we're gonna play around with some glitter next, which I'm really excited for. Glitter in the holiday season is like the best thing ever. I feel like it's gonna really transform the look.
Hey Mecca beauty junkies, this is Aubri. I'm so excited for you guys to see the photos in store. Like, I literally cannot believe it.
We've just wrapped up filming for the Mecca Maxima holiday shoot and
We've had so much fun.
Yes, we have.
It's been amazing.
It's been so fun.
Thanks so much.